My name is Elliot. I own Gulfperk Coffee Bar. For as long as I can remember, always liked the idea of having a coffee shop. I've seen so many customers come in and just befriend each other because there's just such a sense of comfort and community. I'm really happy that I can get people's mornings off to a great start. They come here because they know that they're welcome to. I want everybody to feel welcome. The community aspect of it, I think, is what is most important to me. Full menu all day, every day. We have started bringing in more specials. Everyone is welcome.